Hi, LPS lovers. Yes, I'm an LPS lover too, and a new YouTuber. And my favorite YouTuber is Super Blossoms. I've watched like all her videos on YouTube, and pretty much love her. Everybody may know Julian too on Animal Jam, which I do. Me and my buddy on Animal Jam, Lindsay Dudley, and me. My name is Lydia Unsworth. Well, we have been on Animal Jam on her computer. I have a computer, but it was my dad's, and it's connected to his work, so I can't use it. They don't like me using their Wi-Fi. Well, it's okay. But guess what? On Animal Jam, just yesterday, fman is back. I just noticed. He scammed me. I meant hacked. Yeah, hacked me yesterday. My friend Lindsay was the one that texted me and told me that. It looks I lost my Lei, my rare fox hat, Spike, and everything else. So, that was a loser thing, so, yeah. Well, fman does, just so you know, it does require for the F word, fuck, and that's it. Fuck man. That's what it's supposed to be, but they didn't let him do that, so they put fman. So, yeah. And, well, he's gonna come back. And now, but imback123, you should know all him. He hacks members now, and it's impossible. My buddy is a member. I'm not, but no Spike. I forgot. But Lindsay D, her username, mine's LOL101. Well, no, I can't tell you my password. And yeah, so, well, imback123 hacked her that one day. I had to tell her about that because I was on her computer that time. Well, bloopers. Well, yeah. Sorry. If he gets you, I'm really sorry about it. And yes, I'm a new YouTuber. I love Animal Jam. That was my brother. So, sorry we don't have more people. Just let me go get some of my friends. Hold your paws. Don't bug me. I'm a girl. Me too. Can't bug me. Really? What'd you do this for? We're making an Animal Jam video, stupid. Some of y'all go to the back. front, 4 in the back. Okay. Now, since I've got some of my friends, some of them are blocked off. I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah. Okay. Phantom Foxy, where's your hat? I have no idea. I got it, and I'm gonna wear it. Is that fine? Fine. Thank you. Ew, get this stupid thing on. Okay, I got that. Bloopers. I'll tell you what my friends have to say. Okay then. I wonder what that noise was, but it was not me. Sorry. Okay. Can I say first? No. Phantom Fox is going first. Woohoo! Dang it. Yeah. Let me put my hat on right. Okay, done. Alright. Should know. Well, here's Phantom Fox. She wants to tell you something about me. Well, my name is Phantom Fox, and I'm... Brother, shut up! Sorry about that, but that was my brother. Foxy! Okay. Actually, my dad. And I want to tell you, F-Man has hacked me. F-Man has hacked me. I can't take it no more. And imback123 took my fox hat, and I'm a foxy. Ow. Well, he took my fox hat. It was the rarest fox hat at the game. I'm not kidding. No, sorry you can only see my ears. I'm only half feet tall. Now I gotta fly. Carson! Hold on. Carson, leave. I'm so sorry about this video. Okay, Carson. No, sir. No. And no. Great. No, sir. You go with Bubba.
Guys, pack snacks. We're getting ready to go.
Mom, I'm trying to make a video.
It don't matter. We gotta go.
Real quick. It is Animal Jam, Mom. Because fman123, no. F-Man and imback123 is getting me, scamming me, hacking me. Okay, my turn. And Mom, sorry if I say F-Man, but it means the F word. They couldn't put the F word in it, though. He's bad. He's back, though. Ow. Okay. Where is she? Oh. Nothing. Okay. Friends, get